got an adjustable DC power supply. So I'm gonna take it off. I got some alligator clamps. And I got the power cable. Here's the adjustable DC power supply. Turn it off and on, change the voltage and current, and you plug in the alligator clamps, and that's it. So now I'm going to show you what this thing does. So first, here, let me just turn it off and then plug these in. Make sure they're tight, snug, I mean. All right, so this is the switch I'm going to be using. You guys can see right here. There's a C1 that's like right there, and this is the C1. And then there's the NC2, which is stand for normally closed. But even though this one is not in, you see how this is that, but we're gonna be using this one. This one's short, and this is not the one we're gonna be using. We're gonna use this. We're gonna use both of these red wires. And then here's my motor I got from the vacuum that my friend Alex's dad gave me. And I'm going to hook it up, and I'm going to show you. I'm gonna turn up the voltage and stuff, and then I'm going to show you how to set it up. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to set it up. All right. So we're gonna connect. So here, I'm gonna show you. So this switch, right? I'm gonna connect this. Let me show you now. I'm gonna connect this to here, which you guys can see. Alright, I'm that connected. Now I'm going to connect this like that. And I'm not gonna connect this or pinch it on, alligator clamp it to there yet. Because if I clamp it, well, I can't because of auto load start. So I can't clamp it on and then turn it on. I have to turn it on, then clamp it on. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn it on. Wait a second. And then clamp it. Okay. Give it some voltage. And then, wait. Oh, it disconnected. See? That's why you have to straighten your wires, and that's what I didn't do. So, wait. Turn it off. And I'm going to turn this off real quick. So, if you're watching this, Ruben, it is not your motor that is not working. It is probably your batteries that are not working, because you can see one of them are open, which is that's not good. But I don't know if there's anything in them. I think there should be. I don't know. I haven't opened one yet. But there should be stuff in them. And that one doesn't have any, so it should be your battery. So this one works. And if this is called a DC adjustable power supply. If you guys want to hop that or cop that. So, and then you would want to go watch a YouTube video on how to do it. So I'll show you again. I'll turn it off. You should get cables that look like these. You plug it in. Black goes to negative, and then red goes to positive. All right. And then you could I think you could just plug it. If you have a motor like this, you would just like plug it in, and then it should work. It should tell you the voltage. No, not totally the voltage, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks, Ruben, for giving that vacuum cleaner. I kind of solved your problem, but I destroyed the vacuum. But you gave it to me, so I wanted you to know, Ruben, that it was just your batteries that were bad, and your motor's still good. I'm gonna use this for future videos, probably, or maybe this one. But stay independent.